I'm extremely excited to present this beautifully renovated Queenslander behind me. What I love about this home is that it's a standalone townhouse with gorgeous character and charm. It's walking distance to Northgate State School just at the end of the road, plus so much more. I'm Dan De Silva and welcome to 5 of 79 Killeen Street in Nundah. Let's check it out. As you can see, properties like this, with a low maintenance, lock up and leave lifestyle, don't come up often. So if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.